Well, the question is, are there any icebergs out there?
If there are, they're underwater.
There might not be any icebergs, but look at this view. This is really pretty. And look over here. We have a petrified iceberg. That might be the best that we get on this trip.
Paint that white.
Hi everybody, welcome to Twillingate, Newfoundland. This is Tigner Adventures, David and Ninette, and we are on this 14,000 mile, it's actually a lot more now, trip this summer, searching out all these cool things to see, and we have moved our way down to the east edge now of Newfoundland in a little town called Twillingate.
And we're still trying to find some whales.
Icebergs.
So
anyway.
Not having much luck.
Yeah, I guess we at least had the views. And they have this really cool lighthouse here, so at least we got to see something while we were up on the point here. This won't be the farthest east that we go on this trip. That'll be in St. John's. That'll be next week. This week we are staying in a
very small little town.
Yeah, we drove through the whole town. It has like 4 exits. So we went in the further exit and drove. All it is houses. There's one grocery store,
gas station,
and one little gas station that's out on the main drag. And then they said they do have a museum, but everything we drove by looked like it was pretty much closed up. At least I don't know if it's permanently or just for the season. But anyway, we're gonna cut our stay here short by a couple days and go to
Bonavista. It's where all the puffins live.
Yeah, so we'll see what we can find that way.
We'll be able to see puffins.
Yeah,
and St. John's, we probably should get some
hopefully
whales.
Some whales, yeah. So there's our petrified iceberg. But if we continue around, look at this nice view out here. Man, that is really pretty. Of course, I'm not sure what this looks like in the winter, but right now it looks great. And this is July 13th. We have found this place as we've been traveling around all over, and they have really good food.
Donuts, and they have pie, and they have bagels, and they have all breakfast foods and lunch foods.
Yeah, coffee. And they say we have to have a selfie with the robin's nest.
Yes, he's the robin.
He's the robin, yeah. All right, that was quite the day. And now we're down here back to Musgrave and getting gas. Most expensive gas we've had on this whole trip, $5.19 a gallon US.
Look what's in our backyard. That's the blue ocean out there.
Really nice camping spot here right next to the ocean. You can see it out there. You can hear it all night long, all day long. So soothing. This is a cool little campground right here on this lake. And on the other side of us is the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. What you doing back there? Well, we have stopped at Terra National Park. We didn't know this one is here, but we're going to check it out. They have a nice little welcome visitor center here. Has all kinds of cool little things. Lots of hikes. So on the front of this display are all these little red dots. Those are hikes. And on the back side, it shows what those hikes actually are and how far they are. They have a nice little marine center here and have all kinds of different little things on display. Sorry for all the noise. There's lots of kids. Seems to be pretty popular. And they have this little area here in the middle that you can actually touch the different things and get a close-up view too. Look at this big crab. Look at that little starfish. They got all kinds of cool little things in this tank. And this is the area upstairs. You can go behind the glasses and actually see the tanks that the different fish and things are in. We have all these animals in here too that are in this national park. So they've done a pretty nice job of showing all the different species of whatever here. They have this really cool humpback whale skeleton. This is kind of cool. They have a really nice theater here with lots of videos talking about this national park. And look at this nice gift shop they have. Well, this was a really unexpected stop that we found. It's pretty cool, and it's a national park.
Terra Nova.
Yep, 2 national parks in Newfoundland. And so this is the second one that we've actually stopped at. So too bad we didn't get to go to the visitor center at Gross Mourne, but this was pretty cool. We are on the move again. We are at Elliston.
Elliston, little town. It's supposed to
Newfoundland.
be Puffin Town.
Yeah, Puffin Town.
We haven't found one yet.
Looking for puffins.
Not doing very well.
That's our new quirky, or our new thing. See, we
Our
used
new
to look for bars, which was cell phone bars. Now we're looking for puffins. They have the biggest
puffin
chair. So that for sure is a quirky.
Yes.
It's the world's largest
Yes.
puffin chair.
Yes.
Yeah. Got to make sure we put that in there. So we got the official word that we are close to finding puffins now.
We're very close.
But as we do, as we move down here, look what
we
we
found.
found.
Right now.
Yeah, look, we also found these cool root cellars. We used to have one of these when I was a kid, so they were pretty cool. But I'll just show you the inside really quick, and then we're gonna go out and look at the puffins.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
We are going inside.
Yeah, you won't be able to see me.
Woo! Look at this. So they store all their potatoes or whatevers. We used to put potatoes, and you can put your deer in here to cure or whatever the case may be, but vegetables and things stored all in here. So pretty cool. This one's made out of rocks and everything, even concrete on the roof. Wow. Yeah, this is really heavy duty, I'll tell you. Well, we are on a hike here out to this overlook, to overlook these little islands out here that the puffins are sitting on. And we have our big warning sign here because there's all these cliffs and things. They're saying, warning, rugged terrain, cliffs. If you fall off, we don't care, but don't come back to us. There are the puffins. They're a cross between a penguin and probably a parrot as far as the bright colors. They have a orange beak, orange feet. They're black. They kind of walk like a penguin. Ninette brought her big camera so she could zoom in really good, get a good puffin shot. Of course, her lens isn't as big as this guy's lens. Wow, look at that. That is a big lens on that camera. Well, it took off and there you go. It's flying away. Wow, that one came up out of the water. Whew, look at that. Just out there playing. We finally see puffins and a whale. We've only been here 2 weeks. Still no icebergs. There's the boat that we're going to take a little trip on to see the whales. Look, he's right next to that well right there. All right, we are at the boat tours. We're going to go out for a puffin and whale tour.
Yay.
On this boat that's right behind us. A little red boat. They have ones that are like Zodiac. They're really low to the water. This one's a lot higher, so that's why we picked this one. So we are in Bonavista, Newfoundland. All right, we are on the boat and we are rocking away.
It's not too
So
bad.
it's not too bad, but we definitely have to hold on to the rails or sit down. But we are out on the Atlantic Ocean. So just checking around, looking for whales and puffins. So we are headed back towards the lighthouse that we were at earlier today when we showed this boat coming around there when we were looking at those whales.
And now we're on.
So we're headed out that way on this boat, so we'll see if we can get a little closer to those whales and the puffins.
Yes.
Well, whoa. So this is a mother and her calf.
Look at it, look at it, look at it.
This matches the whale that's on Ninette's back with the baby. We see another mom and calf. Well, we can't get much closer than that.
Well, we don't need to.
Yeah.
I think I got whale spit in my mouth.
Just following this mother and her new calf. So these are whales that are behind us right now.
Hear a pin drop.
Look, another one, double, double. That's a baby.
Hey, we seen whales.
We did.
So
Lots of them.
I guess we can go home tomorrow.
What? We gotta go see more.
Oh, I guess she's on
more
a kick.
puffins.
She's got to go find puffins and some more whales.
Well, there's other
But that was
things
a
out
fun.
there,
That was a
too.
fun little boat tour. So anyway, we had fun
Yeah.
and got to see a lot of whales. So that was
Or the
pretty
same
cool.
one over and over and over again. I don't know.
Well, who knows? No, I think there was multiples. 'Cause-
Well, that's true. There was more.
yeah. So anyway, it was a lot of fun.
A lot of moms and calves out there.
Yeah. So that concludes this video and this portion of Newfoundland. We are headed from here over to St. John's. So that area will be our next video that we do. But for
bigger
now,
town.
yeah, for now that's it. We have been in Newfoundland for 2 weeks and we have had a lot of fun. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us. We appreciate all those that you support us and help us out and give us a like on the video. Yeah. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. But we do really appreciate that support. So thanks for coming along and we will see you on the next video or maybe along the road somewhere, you know, if you reach out to us. So anyway,
Not
take care.
on the road.
No, down the road.
Down the road. Bye.